Hello everyone, this is Mike from BAKO. So let me introduce this one to you. This is our superstar product, super slim. You can see here, firstly, it's very slim. The thickness is only 17.5. Actually, this product has a story that we made the customization for one big customer. He just had the idea. He wanted a very high level product, and also thickness should be very slim because he wanted to do the wall mounting, but make it like this one. The screen looks like on the wall, so we make it slim, and also the high refresh rate reaches 7,680. That is a high refresh rate. That means once you take the video, you couldn't see the skylines. And also we use the high grayscale, 24 bits. So that means when you play the black color to the white color, the performance is much more vivid than normal ones. And the weight is also only 3 kg. That means the more screen, that means you will save lots of transportation cost. That's all. So if you have any other information needed, you can find us at www.szbako.com. Thank you.